Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of Earth forces and atmospheric science, delving into both internal and external forces, as well as gaining insights into weather and climate. Let's start with internal forces. These are the processes that originate from within the Earth itself, shaping our planet's surface over millennia. They include folding, faulting, volcanism, and earthquakes. Among internal forces, folding causes rock layers to bend, while faulting leads to their breaking. These processes have given rise to diverse landforms we see today. Volcanism involves the ejection of molten rock, or magma, to the Earth's surface. This process gives rise to a wide array of landforms, both extrusive and intrusive, and often leads to the formation of volcanoes, which are truly fascinating natural features. Now, let's shift our focus to earthquakes. These are sudden, sometimes powerful, movements in the Earth's crust. They typically result from deep-seated activity within our planet and are often associated with fault lines in the crust. Moving on to external forces, these are the factors that act upon the Earth's surface from the outside. Erosion, driven by processes such as water, wind, ice, and waves, is a prime example of how these forces shape our landscapes. Now, let's transition to the Earth's atmosphere. It's a dynamic blend of gases, dust particles, and moisture droplets, collectively referred to as aerosols. This enveloping layer is essential for supporting life on our planet. Our atmosphere is divided into 4 distinct layers, each characterized by varying temperatures. These layers include the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. It's crucial to differentiate between weather and climate. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions, while climate represents the long-term average of these conditions. Both play vital roles in understanding our environment. When we talk about weather and climate, we consider various elements, such as temperature, rainfall, winds, air pressure, clouds, sunshine, and humidity. These elements collectively shape our daily and seasonal weather patterns. Weather and climate are influenced by a multitude of factors. These include latitude, altitude, wind patterns, ocean currents, proximity to the sea, air pressure systems, and cloud cover. Together, these variables give rise to the diverse climates we observe globally. Lastly, we'll focus on Ethiopia's agroclimatic zones. Ethiopia is known for its diversity, particularly in terms of agroclimatic zones. Bereha Zone, desert hottest zone with arid desert climate, challenging for agriculture. Kala Zone, tropical lowland area with a warm to hot semi-arid tropical climate, water availability crucial. Woinadega Zone, subtropical midlands with moderate subtropical climate, versatile for diverse crops. Dega Zone, temperate highland area with cooler temperatures, suitable for cold-tolerant crops. Wirch Zone, alpine highest altitudes with an alpine climate, limited growing season for specialized crops. Thank you for learning with ShegerTutor. We hope you've enjoyed and benefited from today's lesson. ShegerTutor is here to support your learning journey. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning. Stay connected, subscribe to our YouTube channel at ShegerTutor Learning for video lessons and tutorials. If you need assistance or have questions, reach out to us at shegertutor@gmail.com. Thank you.